basketball, American football, gym, swimming, tennis, table tennis
are some of the sports that you will learn today.
Football, football. My favorite sport is football. Basketball, basketball. Do you like to play basketball? Tennis, tennis. Did you watch the tennis on the TV yesterday? Swimming, swimming. What time do you want to go swimming? MMA, MMA. My favorite sport is MMA. Baseball, baseball. Do you like to play baseball? Badminton, badminton. My favorite sport is badminton. Table tennis, table tennis. Did you watch the table tennis on TV yesterday? Running, running. Are you good at running? American football, American football. My favorite sport is American football. Bowling, bowling. Do you want to go bowling? Gym, gym. What time do you want to go to the gym? Gym, bowling, American football, running, table tennis, badminton, baseball, MMA, swimming, tennis, basketball, football.
I got an idea!
Try this memory technique to improve your study. Write down every day a list of words you want to study, learn, and ultimately remember. Perhaps 10 words. Do this every day for the next 14 days.
Watch the videos from Speak English Easy to practice.
Make some flashcards. You'll need a pencil. Write down a word. Draw the word. Make more flashcards for studying. After 14 days, it's time to test day 1's list. Write down the words that you could not remember. Create a new list, repeat the process, test yourself in another 14 days.
Don't forget your other day's lists.
Do you like baseball? Yes, I like baseball. Do you like to play baseball? Yes, I like to play baseball. Are you good at baseball? No, I'm not very good at baseball. What time does the baseball game start? The baseball game starts at 8 p.m. Did you watch the baseball game last night on TV? Yes, I did. It was good. Who won the baseball game yesterday? The New York Yankees won the baseball game.
What time do you want to meet down the baseball field? 5 o'clock. Okay. I'll see you soon. Alright.
Hannah is not at the baseball field. Do you like tennis? Yes, I like tennis. Do you like to play tennis? Yes, I like to play tennis. Are you good at tennis? No, I'm not very good at tennis. What time does the tennis match start? The tennis match starts at 8 p.m. Did you watch the tennis match last night on TV? Yes, I did. It was good. Who won the tennis match yesterday? Roger Federer won a tennis match. Are they playing tennis? I don't know.
Are you ready?
Table tennis. Tennis. Swimming. Running. Gym.